Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so happy that you decided to stop by my channel today. I will share a quick haul video with a company called Scrap Diva Designs. And Erica, the owner, contacted me a couple of weeks ago and asked if I wanted to guest design for her this month, and I was actually super excited about this because I had looked at her store, or maybe not her store, but like her personal account, I think, and she had done these amazing projects, 3D projects, and like books, and yeah, she's amazing. And when she asked if I wanted to guest design, I went to her YouTube, and from her YouTube channel I think I stalked like all of her DT like design team members, and they are so amazing. And when I first started scrapbooking, sorry if this is a boring story, but when I started making cards, I had been doing scrapbooking before, and I had been doing like 3D projects and using a lot of beautiful papers and glitter and like chunky projects. But then I shifted more towards making cards that were more like clean and simple and with products from like one company. So I like shifted gears, and I still do. I really love creating cards that are in that sort of way. But when I saw all of her DT members creating these amazing projects with all of her dies, I was so inspired. I don't even think she knows how inspired I was. I think I watched hours upon hours of content from her products, and I went back like 2 years. I think she has been in business for 2 years. Of course, I will have links down below to her shop and everything, so you can get the information there. But I just wanted to tell you, like, I was super excited, and I know that might not like be my style 100%, doing those like chunky projects. But I was super excited. I wanted to try something like that, and I think with these dies, when I also have seen him sort of in action a little bit, I am so ready to create with these projects. So I will go over all of the products that I got. I know there is a couple of ones that I didn't receive from this release, but I have the main part of the release, and I will link to her channel and her shop, so you can go check everything out. So I tried to fix the lighting here, and let's get into it. So first up, we have these super sweet lemons that you can create into a shaker. This one is called Lemon Shaker, and you have all of these beautiful pieces. You have the tiny flowers in 2 different sizes. You have the fresh and the shadow piece, and then you have sort of the back layer and then the top layer. And yeah, you have them in 2 sizes, and you can see you cut out the inner part here, so you can use that for only creating 1 lemon, and then you also have like an option to create a shaker. So I think that is super sweet. I know that I will be playing around with this one. Then there is also this one called Lemon Slices. So you have all of these slices and like in different size. And you have your spoons here as well, and these would go perfectly with another product. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is, with this. So you can see you can have your like like your stirrer inside of these, and you can also create shakers with these. You have the inside part that will really be nice for that one. So that is super sweet. I love that. And then we have this one is called Flower Center Trio, and you can use this one inside of the centers of your flower clusters. So these are very cute and dainty, and I haven't created that much flowers in my years. I just wanted to mention that, but not like these 3D flowers, but I know that I will be creating a lot because in this release I also received this one. Freely rose flower plates, and you can see freely, yeah, my English, you know. I always have to try the words to see which one is the one that is the correct one. But you can see you have 2 sizes, and what I love about this is that you can run this through your die cutting machine in one go, and you will have 3 flowers, because I think you will build them like in trios like this. And you're ready to go. And then you have your centerpieces, and you have them in a smaller size. So this is really good for creating a lot of flowers at once. And this one is one of my favorites. This one is called Cute Butterfly Boy or Girl, and it's exactly that. You have this beautiful butterfly, you have the center part and the little face, and then we have the the boy version or the girl version of this, and you can also like play with a texture on the body part. So I think this would be really cute to put together and have like an embellishment or a focal point on a card. And this one is also really fun. This one is called Popsicle Shaker, and it's exactly that. You have your like base piece here, you have your back piece, and then you have a piece that you can build upon. So you get your shaker element, or the shaker velvet here, I should say. And then you have your like popsicle a wooden like holder, and you have a bow and some faces and some eyelashes. This is just a really cute, and the drops, oh, I love that, super sweet. Can't wait to play with this one. Sorry about that. And then we have this one, and I think I need to open this up because I think there is dice inside of this one. So I know when I have been watching videos from the other like DT members, they said that the other dice are inside of the packaging. So I think I will just show you how it looks when it comes, because it comes nicely like this packaged. And then you have the inside part as well. Look at that. By the way, I love her packaging. I don't know if you can see, but it's like pink or purple dice, more purple I think than pink. And then we have the blue and white polka dots, and at the top this cute logo. So I really like her packaging. It's very, very pretty. I could see myself like cutting this up and making a project just with the covers of this, because it's so cute. So here you see what you get. You have your roller skater, you have your like stitched lines here, and some stars and the wheels. I love that. And you can see the rainbow here on the side, and this part I believe is like the lower part here, so you can cut that out of some separate cardstock. Yeah, this is so cute. And you can see a little stopper here would go perfectly like that. And this is something I personally so much love with a collection, when there is dice that coordinate with all of the other products that we have seen. So we have the Summer Words 3, and I'm guessing here that it has been a couple of other ones that I don't have, but I have these ones. So we have Travel, Vacation, Season maybe. Vacation, Summer, Travel. I'm bad at reading these when I haven't cut them out. Lemonade. Swimming maybe. Summer. Okay, so I have to cut these out. I feel like I really need to do it. But we have Travel, we have Summer, we have Lemonade. Swimming, I would like to say that this one is, but we have a lot of words that we can play around with on our projects. And the last thing I got from this release is this beautiful box. It's called 3D Ribbon Gift Box, and immediately when I like saw the sneak peeks of the new release, I was like, please, I want this die so badly. I think it's super sweet. There was another one that I actually didn't get, but I might be like needing to go back and buy it because I loved it so much. It was like 2 bows, and it has like Mickey Mouse ears. It was super sweet, you guys. Go check out that on the website if you haven't seen, because I think that would have gone so cute with this one. And that is, you know, the thing with collections. If you buy stuff like these, they will really nicely coordinate with each other. So yeah, go and check that out. But this box we will definitely put together here on my YouTube channel. And one fun thing with this release and all of these products, and that I will actually be sharing 4 videos I think over the coming weeks here on my YouTube channel, in like sort of like tribute to this collaboration, and I'm super excited, you guys. So let me know in the comments down below, what projects do you want me to create first, I know that I will be needing to do the box, so that's a must for me. All of them are, but that one is the one I know that I will be starting with. Otherwise, let me know in the comments down below which project do you think I should be starting with, guys. And also, she was super sweet. I almost forgot to mention it. She also sent me some from the older releases that she told I would like. And of course I did. This is the Conversation Hearts. And it's the Conversation Hearts 2. So these are perfect for having in that box maybe and giving to someone. And we also have these paint brushes in 2 sizes. This one is called Paint Tube Shakers. So it's the same idea here. You have the large paintbrush, the paint sort of back piece, the cover piece with like a piece where you can put some embellishment and decoration and stuff like that, and then the smaller version. And then we have this one. I've seen some projects online, of course, and this is a rainbow, and it's not like a typical rainbow. You can see it's very, very cute, and it has some like flowers and flower centers and some stars. Really, very cute, and it has like this pocket. So this will be fun to play with as well. So I hope you like this overview of Scrap Diva Designs' latest release. This is the May release, and it's purple, you guys. Go check it out, and I will soon be back with some more content. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!